Here it is.
Livy, not right there. I'm telling you, you're going to break something.
Jumping right there?
Just jump up in the air. Heel first. See?
I can't get up there.
Now imagine running from where I told you and doing what we used to do.
God, that'd be interesting. I can't get up it.
I'm fierce.
You're sorry. Move, Sophie. I want to jump right there.
Livy, you're going to fall off that thing right there, that cliff. You break your leg. What's that?
Fatty. I'm trying to get off it. Okay, I'm in.
Feel it vibrating your feet? There she goes. Oh, she got a mouthful.
This is fun. If I can get up it.
Like I said, when it was 2 or 3 times bigger than this, you don't know fun.
I'm hitting that hump.
You can take off running off top of that mountain. I got part of it. Sophie stood right in front of the camera. I saw your neck pop back.
That hurts. No. Watch this. What is this?
Sawdust.
Do it, Zoe.
Hang on a minute.
You do it, Dad.
No, hang on. Get down here.
What do you do? Hang on. Let me throw my knife. You're doing it wrong. Look, you gotta.
Don't hurt yourself now.
The bottom of your.
You gotta dig your heels in. There you go.
I did a flip.
Now, Sophie, tumble. What is she doing?
I'm stuck. This is so fun. I think I got it in my bra. Can I go head first? Down that?
That's red light flittering. What does that mean? Is it cut off?
Maybe a centipede. Where? Probably. You can just keep it on there till it's all done.
Liv, start where you're at and jump and land down there about where Sophie's feet is.
I'll do it.
That's what I'm talking about. You got to run and jump, man. Just go. Don't go head first. Go feet first.
That was the funnest thing I've done.
You just got to make sure you dig your heels in. Don't.
What if I break my foot?
Don't. I'm finna say, just don't go do a face plant.
Because I don't have no shoes on. Just do it. You go again. Okay. I'm not sure. Oh God.
Sophie chickened out.
Watch this one. Move, retard. I'm going. You don't know how to do it. That's funny.
Told y'all it was fun, didn't I?
Hang on, let me catch my breath.
You got enough running room right there. But look, just because it's got leaves on it, all that sawdust all the way down to the bottom. Go over a little bit. It won't be such...
This?
Right there. See? All that sawdust over there. See?
That was fun. Jump, but just jump. I'm gonna make it rock and run.
I used to come off the top of that mountain up there when it was big and just jump. Jump 15, 20 feet sailing through the air and just plow. That's why I told you I'd hit this deep.
God. Go, just jump out.
That's why you got to lean back a little bit and let your heels hit. That way you don't just jam your body down in it. There you go, Liv.
That hurt. Well.
Well.
That one kind of hurt. I'm doing it here.
Don't throw it now.
Just do it. I'm trying to catch my breath. Okay, just jump in.
She said, "Arr!" in the air before she ever even hit.
She jumped over me. Get right there and let me jump over you. Get right there. If you fall on me, I swear I'll kill you.
Quit throwing it, I said.
I didn't throw it. I can't get up.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Scoot over some more to the thick part. Tell him to come out here. That's enough. Not the video anymore.